everyone and welcome to another video. Excuse the angle, everything is just crazy about this video. Basically, I'm going to be doing my brownie recipe and I got a request to do this on camera, so I thought I would do that today because I'm going to be making 2 batches. So to start, you need butter. I'm going to post the link in the description of this video, but I basically copy it word for word. So let's go. I'm going to be using butter and stalk because I don't like using too much butter. I like to mix it up a little bit and use a bit of both so that it isn't too much butter, because butter is expensive. So I'm going to put in some of each, and I basically just roughly do this and kind of guesstimate how much half a cup is. But obviously I'm doing 2 lots. Also, it says unsalted butter, but I'm using salted. I'm going to put this in the microwave. It has to be hot. I have preheated my oven to 175 degrees, which is what it says on here. And then it also says to grease your pan. So I'm going to be greasing this one and that one. I've just taken this out the microwave. It looks like this. Still needs to melt a lot and heat up. I like to do it at 30-second intervals so that it melts very evenly. Now I'm going to be putting some parchment paper onto my tins. For this square one, I just put a piece of parchment paper going across one way. Basically just cut off this much as the diameter is. And then we want to just put that onto there, towards the middle. You could actually turn it around. Cut around the tin like that. They are ready for when I want to put the brownie mix in. Butter is looking good. The recipe asks for a tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm going to be using 2. We need 1 cup of butter, so this should be more than enough actually. Oh, that is literally the perfect amount. I swear to you, food talks to me. Literally the perfect amount. Anyway, adding that to this bowl with the oil, and then we need to add some caster sugar to this. 1 cup and 1/8. Okay, so we've got 1/8 here, so we're going to add 2 of those. 1, 2, and I'm going to use a half a cup, so I'm going to do 4 half of cups. So 1, 2. Oh my gosh, guys, this is a lot of sugar. 3 and 1 more. Okay, so I had the perfect amount of caster sugar to add to that. Now it says to beat this until it's all combined. I've got my whisk and I'm going to just beat this for a minute. So this looks great. It's nice and combined. So now I'm going to move on to the next step, which is adding the eggs. The next step is to add the vanilla, and I literally have this much left, so it is not enough, but it's all I have, so this is gonna have to do. I heard that vanilla is really hard to get hold of these days, so that's gonna be fun getting more of this. And then the next step is to beat this for another minute or so, so let's do that. This is what it looks like now. It should be quite bubbly. Can you see the bubbles? That's how bubbly it usually is. Next step is to add the flour, the cocoa powder and the salt. So I'm going to get a sieve. So we need 1 cup of plain flour. And also 1 cup of cocoa powder. Basically it's all the cocoa powder that I have left. So let's just add all of that. And then I'm adding the salt. And then I'm going to sieve that in. And then it says to gently fold it in, which is a very important tip because you don't want to be whacking all those air bubbles out that you just made. You want it to be really nice and fluffy so that your brownies are nice and fudgy. It might not look like it's getting anywhere first, but you have to keep doing it and then it will just all suddenly come together. You also want to make sure you're scraping all the edges so that there's no flour left on the edges or cocoa powder, and the bottom as well. That looks perfect. Now it's time to add the chocolate. So I normally add 1 bar of each of these, but I'm going to add 1.5 each so that I can do like a fancy drizzle on the top afterwards. So I literally add them in full pieces. I like to do some bigger pieces and some smaller pieces. So the brownie mix is all ready. It's got the chocolate all in there. It looks amazing. I'm going to put this in the tins, half in each, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven. Oh my gosh, this bowl is so heavy. So they're ready to go in the oven now. I'm just going to put them in on the top shelf. And then they will be done in 23 minutes. So I'm going to come back, check on them in 23 minutes. I'm going to be cleaning my hands, cleaning the worktops, washing up, etc, etc, and then I will be back in 23 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 23 minutes. This is what one looks like. Oh my god, oh no, it got covered by the paper. This is the second one. They're just gonna cool and then I will be back to show you what they're like. So it's 8 o'clock now. When I come back, I'll tell you what the time is, and then that is how long I've left them to cool. It is now 10 past 10 and the brownies they're still a little bit warm. I've taken them out of the pans and they're just cooling a little bit more. And I'm going to melt some chocolate in my bags in the microwave. I'm going to do them at the same time because I'm lazy. And I just want to eat brownies right now. You're putting it in the bag. Same with the white one. I'm going to put the microwave on for 30 seconds at a time, take them out, give them a little squeeze so that the chocolate moves around a little bit. And then I'm going to keep doing that until it's fully melted. Altogether it took 1 minute to do this, so I took it out after 30 seconds, gave it a little squeeze and then put it back in for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to chop off a tiny bit of the bottom of this and then I'm going to drizzle it all over my brownies. The same thing with the other one. It is all done. Look how good they look. Does that look amazing? Do you not just want to eat that right now? I'm going to cut some of this up and have some right now, and the rest I'm going to be taking to my family's house tomorrow. But that is going to be the end of this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Ja. Det var portrait.